Morning students. So previous class I had given a homework exercise 2.3 and I think complete all the questions, also discuss all the question 1, 2 and 3. So now start factorization of polynomial, factorization of a polynomial, and first write factor theorem, factor theorem. फैक्टर थ्योरम आप बुक से सेम डिफिनेशन नोट कर लोगे। फैक्टर थ्योरम जो बुक में दिया हुआ एनसीईआरटी ऐसे हम समझा रहे हैं। फैक्टर थ्योरम और राइट डिफिनेशन इफ पी ऑफ एक्स इज ए पॉलिनोमियल, इफ पी ऑफ एक्स इज ए पॉलिनोमियल of degree n greater equal to 1 and a is any real number, then first point x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0, and second point number 2, if p of a is equal to 0 then x minus a is a factor of p of x. अब समझ लें व्हाट इज फैक्टर थ्योरम। हियर p of x any polynomial, p of x whose degree n greater or equal to 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of p of x if p of a is equal to 0. And what is p of a? This p of a discussed in previous class in the remainder theorem. When p of x is divided by x minus a, then remainder r is equal to p of a. So this p of a is the remainder, that is when the remainder is 0 then x minus a is a factor of p of x. Conversely, if x minus a is a factor of p of x then remainder is 0, that is remainder 0, then x minus a is a factor. Conversely, if x minus a is a factor then remainder will be 0. आप इसका एग्जाम्पल देखो, समझ में आएगा। सो एग्जाम्पल नंबर 11th इज एग्जामिन वेदर x plus 2 is a factor of, so suppose polynomial, let polynomial p of x is x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Question is examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of this and of 2x plus 4, that is both are checking 2x plus 4 is a factor or not. First you check that x plus 2 is a factor or not. X plus 2 is a factor of this and 2x plus 4. So first check that x plus 2 is a factor of p of x or not. For factor, first find remainder, that is when p of x is divided by x plus 2 and if remainder gives 0 then x plus 2 is a factor. And what is the remainder? Then x minus a, when p of x divided by x minus a, then remainder is p of a. तो अब प्रीवियस क्लास में हाउ टू फाइंड रिमाइंडर, फर्स्ट पुट डिवाइजर इज इक्वल टू 0. सो व्हाट इज द डिवाइजर, x plus 2. So first put x plus 2 is equal to 0. So what is the value of x, minus 2. So here minus 2 in place of a. So find p of minus 2. This is the remainder. This is the remainder. So find p of minus 2, that is p of a. Here a is equal to what, minus 2. Here x minus a and here x plus a. So here minus a is equal to 2. So a is equal to minus 2. So now find p of minus 2, that is put here minus 2 in place of x. So minus 2 cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Simplify, minus 2 cube, that is minus 8, this is 4, that is 12, minus 10 plus 6. So first 12 plus 6 is equal to 18, minus 8 minus 10 minus 18 is equal to 0. So p of minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore that is p of a is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 2 is a factor of p of x, right? So x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. So factor, that is same use, if find the remainder, if remainder be 0, then that is a factor. So therefore x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. Now check that x plus 2 is a factor of 2x plus 4 or not. 2x plus 4 can written 2 common, then x plus 2. And what is the factor of 2x plus 4? There are two factors. One factor is 2 and other factor is x plus 2. So question is, x plus 2 is a factor of 2x plus 4. Answer is yes. Yes, x plus 2 is a factor of 2x plus 4 also. So this is example number 11. Now example number 12. Example number 12. Example number 12 is, find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of. So first suppose polynomial, let p of x is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square minus 4x plus k. And here question is, find the value of k given x minus 1 is a factor. Since x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, so when x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, then use bifactor theorem. If x minus 1 is a factor of p of x, therefore p of 1 is equal to 0. Bifactor theorem. Now put 1 in place of x. 4 into 1 cube plus 3 into 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus k is equal to 0. Now simplify. 1 cube is equal to 1, 4 into 1 4, 1 square 1, 3 into 1 3, minus 4 plus k is equal to 0. Now simplify. 4 plus minus cancel. This term 3 taking right side. So k is equal to minus 3. So this is the value of k. Suppose one question. Suppose here given x plus 1. Suppose given x plus 1 in place of x minus 1. Suppose given x plus 1 is a factor of p of x, then क्या होगा, if x plus 1, यहाँ पे x plus 1 यदि हो, then p of minus 1 is equal to 0. आप यहाँ पे साइन चेंज करके नोट करना है, यहाँ पे x minus 1 तो p of 1 is equal to 0, x plus 1 then p of minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the example number 12. Now example number 13. Example number 13. Example number 13. Factorize 6x square plus 17x plus 5 by splitting the middle term and by using the factor theorem. So I first splitting the middle terms. So what is the process? First arrange the given polynomial in descending order. Descending order means descending power of variable term. That is, first write higher order term, then less, then constant term. Already here arranged in descending order. Then count total how many number of terms. This is first term, second term, this is third term. There are 3 terms. And question is splitting the middle term. What is the middle term? 17x. तो 17x को स्प्लिट करना है, 2 टर्म्स में स्प्लिट करना है. आप कैसे करोगे 2 टर्म में स्प्लिट? मिडिल टर्म या 17 को 2 टर्म में स्प्लिट कैसे करेंगे? दिस कैन रिटर्न 10x प्लस 7x. 17 का 2 टर्म हो गया, 10 एंड 7 दोनों को ऐड करोगे आ जाएगा 17x. और दिस कैन रिटर्न 12x plus 5x. There are many types you can written, many types. Or this 17x can return 20x minus 3x. 20 minus 3 also 20. Get visit 17. So what is the process? How many split? How to split of middle term? So process is first multiply first term and third term. First term and third term को multiply करेंगे. So what is the first term? 6x square and third term 5. So multiply it. That is 6x square into 5 is equal to 30x square. So what is first? First multiply first term and third term. Next, their product is 30x square and what is the numerical value? It's 30. Now factorize 30. 30 को फैक्टराइज करना है, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन. तो अब 30 को फैक्टराइज कर दो. 30 को फैक्टराइज कर रहे हैं, डिवाइडेड बाई 2, 15 बाई 3, 5 एंड बाई 5, 1. So there are 4 factors of 30. One factor of every number, one is a factor of every number. So here consider this factor. आप 1 भी consider कर सकते हो. So there are 4 factors of a 30. Now these 4 factors convert into 2 group. 4 factors हैं. Factors हैं 2, 3, 5 and 1. These are 4 factors. 4 factors को क्या करना है? Convert it into 2 group. 2 group like as suppose 2 into 3 1 number and other 5 into 1. That is 6 and 5. 6 5 is 30. Or this can also written. This can written also. This 30 can written 2 into 3 into 5 into 1. Convert it into 2 form, that is 2 factor. How to convert 2 factor? Suppose 2, 3, suppose 1 factor 6 and 5 one other factor 5. ये 2 factors आ गए. और this 2 and 5 suppose one group, that is 10 and 3 into 1 3. This also other factors. Or this 3 whole suppose one factor, that is 30 into 1, also 2 factor. Or first factor suppose 2 and other factor 15. Clear? Now check that the 2 factors, you check that 2 factor. Now what is the sum और सब्ट्रैक्ट? अभी आप मिडिल टर्म का कोई यूज नहीं किए हो, मिडिल टर्म का कोई यूज नहीं किए हैं. फर्स्ट टर्म क्या फाइंड किए हैं? फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट टर्म एंड थर्ड टर्म, एंड फाइंड द स्प्लिट, फाइंड द फैक्टर्स. फैक्टर फाइंड कर लिए, देन कन्वर्ट दिज फैक्टर्स इनटू पेयर फॉर्म. 2 फैक्टर में कन्वर्ट करना है, सच दैट देयर सम और सब्ट्रैक्ट. इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट ध्यान से सुनोगे. देयर सम और सब्ट्रैक्ट इज इक्वल टू मिडिल टर्म आनी चाहिए. आप जो 30 के जो फैक्टर में डिवाइड किए हो, इसका सम और सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पे क्या होना चाहिए? मिडिल टर्म, दैट इज 17. आप इसको ऐड करो, 17 होगा? नो. सब्ट्रैक्ट पे आएगा? नो. इससे ऐड करके देखो, ऐड करके 17 आ रहा है? नो. सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पे? नो. आप इसे दोनों को ऐड करो, 17 आएगा ऐड करने पे? नो. सब्ट्रैक्ट पे? नो. आप इन दोनों को ऐड करोगे, 17 आ रहा है. 15 प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू 17. तो आप इस मिडिल टर्म को कैसे स्प्लिट करोगे? दिस इक्वल टू 6x स्क्वायर एंड दिस 17x कैन रिटर्न 15x plus 2x plus 5 because here x, that is 15x plus 2x और 2x plus 15x, जैसे भी लिख दो. ये मिडिल टर्म का स्प्लिट समझ में आ गया. नाउ टेकिंग कॉमन दिस 2 terms, so what is the common? Here 3x common, then remaining 2x, then 3 is common, then 5. What is the common here? 1 is common, then 2x plus 5. So this equal to 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 5. This is the common factor. So this is the factor of given polynomial. Next, also the split, also the factorize by using the factor theorem. Also use the factor theorem and factorize. Also use the factor theorem and factorize. So now using factor theorem, now by using factor theorem, by using factor theorem, first suppose what is polynomial? P of x is equal to 6x square plus 17x plus 5. These are the polynomial. For a factor theorem, first हमें क्या करना है? Make the coefficient of x square be 1. Factorize करना है by using factor theorem. Make the coefficient of x square is 1. कैसे बनेगा 1? So taking 6 कॉमन, अब 6 कॉमन ले लिए, देन एक्स स्क्वायर 17 by 6x plus 5 by 6. Here no any 6 common, so divide by 6. No any 6 common, divide by 6. If bracket open, we get this term. So first coefficient of, first make coefficient of x square be 1. ये coefficient 1 बना दिए. And since this is a quadratic polynomial, so it has 2 linear factors. It has टू लीनियर फैक्टर, मेन फैक्टर आपको यह करना है, इट हैज़ टू लीनियर फैक्टर. सो सपोज first factor suppose x minus a and other factor suppose x minus b. We suppose here. Now I suppose x minus a is the factor and other factor suppose x minus b. So suppose this is the factor, suppose x minus a or x minus b. Here check that what is the constant term. Here constant term is 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is the constant term, or this can written 6 into q of x. 6 into q of x, where q of x is equal to x square 17 by 6x plus 5 by 6. Now there is a two linear factor. How to find linear factor? Here what is the constant term? 5 by 6. So you check that, or here two methods are used. Here product is 5 by 6, or their sum is this. Here two method you find. Here 5 by 6 is the constant term. Now find the factor of 5 by 6, that is find the factor of constant term. Factor of 5 by 6. What is the factor of 5 by 6? First factor 1 is a factor, or since this 6 divisible by 2, so 1 by 2 is a factor, or 5 by 2 is a factor, plus minus 1 factor, plus minus 5 factor, or plus minus 5 by 3, because this 6 divisible by 3. So plus minus 5 by 3 also factor, plus minus 5 by 6 also factor, or many terms plus minus 5 by 6. Here plus minus 1 by 3 also factor, because 1 is divisible by, because 5 is divisible by 1 and 6 divisible by 3. Plus minus 1 by 3 and plus minus 1 by 2 also factor, both factors plus also and minus also. फ्रैक्शन का फैक्टर कैसे आप फाइंड करोगे? आप पहले 5 का 1 इज ए फैक्टर ऑफ एवरी नंबर्स, आप पहले 5 का फैक्टर लिख दो. सो फैक्टर ऑफ 5 इज प्लस 5 और माइनस 5 ऑल्सो. देन फैक्टर ऑफ 6 2 and 3 is a factor. So this whole is a factor of 5 by 6. Same plus minus 5 by 6 also, plus minus 1 by 3, because 5 is divisible by 1 and 6 is also divisible by 3. So these are the factors. Now check that which point, which value the polynomial value be 0. Polynomial value, here polynomial is q of x. So check that 5 by 2, 5 by 3, 5 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, which value पे x के प्लेस पे पुट करेंगे तो वैल्यू आएगा 0. तो आप ये देखो x के प्लेस पे यदि आप कोई पॉजिटिव वैल्यू पुट करोगे, दिस इज नॉट इज इक्वल टू 0. सो क्या पुट करना है? नेगेटिव वैल्यू. तो आप नेगेटिव वैल्यू चेक करो, -1 चेक करेंगे, -5 by 3 चेक करेंगे, ये सब चेक करेंगे. तो हम फर्स्ट वैल्यू हम चेक कर रहे हैं -1 by 3, ये चेक कर रहे हैं -1 by 3. So now check the value of q of -1 by 3. This is q of x. So x के प्लेस पे क्या पुट करोगे? -1 by 3. Put here. So -1 by 3 whole square plus 17 by 6 into -1 by 3 plus 5 by 6. बाकी आपको फैक्टर थ्योरम का यूज़ करना है. So simplify this 1 by 9 minus 17 by 18 plus 5 by 6, taking LCM, 18 LCM, 9 2 जा same 17, 6 3 जा plus 15. So 2 plus 15, 17 minus 17 by 18 is equal to 0. 0 by 18 is equal to 0. So Q of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, by factor theorem, what is the factor? X plus 1 by 3, यहाँ पे साइन माइनस है, then x plus 1 by 3 is a factor of q of x. This is a one factor. Now find other factor. So other number put is minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, that is find q of minus 5 by 2. आप पुट करके निकाल लोगे, this also we get 0, आप चेक कर लोगे. Therefore x plus 5 by 2, similarly you show q of minus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 by 2 is also factor of q of x. Therefore since factor is 6x square, question is 6x square plus 17x plus 5, this equal to this 6 into x square plus 17x plus 5 by 6, and this is a q of x. This is a q of x. And what is the factor? It has two factors. One factor is, what is the one factor of this? X plus 1 by 3 into what is the other factor? X plus 5 by 2. This is the second factor. So this is equal to product of these two terms. Now taking LCM and simplify. So this equal to 6, here 3 LCM, then 3x plus 1, here LCM 2, then 2x plus 5. This 3 2 ja, then 2 cancel. So this equal to 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 5. This is the factor. आप यूजिंग फैक्टर थ्योरम, ये थोड़ा सा टिपिकल लगा होगा. अभी मैं 2 एग्जाम्पल और बताएंगे तो क्लियर हो जाएगा. जब तक आप लोग क्या करोगे, एक्सरसाइज 2.4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, 2, 3 एंड 4 तक आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. एक्सरसाइज 2.4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 4 एज ए होमवर्क. आप इतना ट्राई करोगे एंड आई डिस्कस नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके.